In this tutorial, we'll show the template password reset. So the virtual assistant resets the password using the user's username, phone number, and by sending out the SMS code, you can reset the password. So let's use this template. Okay. In our dialog scenario, the default message looks like this. You can edit it. So the chatbot would ask for the username and phone number. You can give the username and phone number. And in our domain knowledge as an instruction, we have written that the username should be valid and the phone number should also be valid. You can give it in any order as you wish. So the provided phone number, the 4-digit SMS code would be sent out. And then you can use this SMS code to reset the password. Let's take a look at the slots and actions. The key variables here are username, phone, code, and the password. We have two actions. The first one is sending the SMS code. So let's test it now. And as a username, we can pick any. So let's say this number, this username. And the phone number should be valid, and we will be receiving the SMS code. So just make sure that the phone number is correct. Okay. Now this is the API URL. You can use your own one. Let's test the endpoint. Okay. So now we should be receiving our SMS code. And let's test the received SMS code in the reset password action. So yeah, let's use the code that we have just received. So this is us. I've just received the SMS code, which is 88 and 99. And again, using the URL of an API address, we can test the received SMS code. And this is the new password that should be sent out. Okay. Now, in our domain knowledge, as I have said before, we have written down two instructions. Just make sure that the phone number is valid and make sure that the username is also valid. Let's test the logic. Okay, let's start over. Okay. Let's use another username. Let's say that this is our username. And I'm not sending the phone number intentionally. Okay, it asks for the valid phone number. Let me use another phone number, which is also valid. All right. And now I should be receiving a 4-digit SMS code. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've just received it. Right. This is our new password that we can use.